No soil, no rooting hormone, no fancy tools. Just a clean jar, some water, and a little patience. These 12 flowering plants can be propagated in plain water, right on your windowsill. Some root faster than you'd expect. Others might just surprise you with how beautiful they look, even before they bloom. Ready to multiply your garden without the mess? Geraniums root in water easily, making them the perfect no-fuss choice for beginners. Take a 4 to 6 inch stem cutting just below the node. Remove the lower leaves and place it in water, just enough to cover the stem, not the leaves. Here's a great tip. Do this in fall to overwinter your plants indoors and enjoy fresh blooms again by spring. Impatiens love shade and are just as easy to root in water. Just snip a stem, drop it in a glass, and make sure the bottom few nodes are submerged. Give it a bright indirect light and you'll see roots forming within days. African violets are a surprise entry. You only need one healthy leaf to get started. Place the leaf in water with just its stalk touching the surface. With a bit of patience and dappled light or grow lights, you'll soon see baby plants emerging. Begonias propagate beautifully from a 3 to 4 inch stem cutting. Submerge the nodes in water while keeping the foliage dry. With filtered sunlight, roots will appear in a couple of weeks, and yes, it works for both cane and wax varieties. Hoya, with its waxy flowers and trailing vines, roots well in water, though it takes time. Clip a healthy vine with at least one node and place it in water away from direct sun. This plant is slow to start, but totally worth the wait once the star-shaped blooms appear. Fuchsia's two-tone teardrop flowers are iconic, and yes, you can propagate it in a simple water jar. Just avoid soaking the leaves and place the jar in a bright spot. In 3 weeks or so, you'll have a rooted cutting ready for a fresh pot. Want your home to smell heavenly? Start jasmine cuttings in water. Take a 4 to 5 inch cutting just below a leaf node and place it in a cool spot with ample light. Once rooted, regular pruning will keep it bushy and blooming. Lavender in water? Yes, but timing is key. Take softwood cuttings, 3 to 4 inches, strip the lower leaves, and submerge the stem. Keep the jar on a sunny sill, and change the water often for fragrant success. Hyacinths need a bit of a twist. You don't root the bulb in water, but just above it. Place the bulb in a narrow-necked vase so it hovers over water without touching it. Keep in the dark until roots form, then move it to sunlight for a spectacular bloom show. Petunia's colorful trumpet flowers are easy to duplicate in water. Choose a flower-free 4 to 6 inch stem. Drop it in a jar of lukewarm water and give it bright indirect sun. Once roots appear, it's ready to move to your planters or hanging baskets. Peace lily propagation is done via division, not cuttings. Take a rooted clump from the base and set just the roots into water, keeping the crown above the surface. In a clear jar, this looks like a mini water garden, low maintenance and elegant. Paper whites grow from bulbs, and just like hyacinths, their base can't get wet. Anchor the bulb in pebbles or a narrow-necked vase. Then add water just below the base. In a few days, roots shoot down and elegant white blooms rise up. It's that simple. And there you have it, 12 flowering plants you can multiply without a speck of soil. No mess, no fuss, just jars, water, and a little bit of sunlight. If you're excited to try one or all of these, hit that like button, subscribe, and grow along with us. See you in the next video.